Hi friends, let me show you this new picnic lamp and fan that I received for viewing purposes. You get the actual unit and a charging cable for a USB-C port that you have here. You also have a USB-A port that you can use to charge your phone, your watch, your iPad, whatever accessory you want to charge on the go, okay? You get basically 4 speeds for the fan, 4 strength speed for the fan, and 3 different light levels for the lamp. So it's great if you are going outdoors, if you want to have it while you do your picnic, your camping, your barbecue, whatever outdoor activity you want to do. And you also get this really practical hook to hang it in your tent, in your car, in the fence, whatever you want to use it. Let me show you. You can use a hook to hang it from anywhere you want, like this. You will be able to use it anywhere you need it. If it's dark in the night, it can be a really nice lamp to do anything you need. And the air, depending on the strength of the fan, is great for that hot summer weather. Thank you. The unit is easy to charge using the provided cable. Let me show you. You just need a USB-A port. And it will tell you that it's charging and the actual charging level, okay? So if you charge it with a regular USB-C cable, really convenient. And let me tell you that it is very convenient that with the USB-A port, you can charge any electronics that you want, like this. As you can see, it's charging. So you are able to use this as a fan, as a lamp, and as an external portable battery. Really recommend it. Thank you.